Hey guys, this is Gary Walker with liveanabolic.com. Today I'm going to bring you another great workout. This workout is a turbocharged workout for men over 40. All right. The difference with this workout is this is a no impact workout. So there are going to be no squat jumps, no burpees, none of that stuff. This is designed for guys that may have a few little issues with their hips, knees, elbows, ankles, whatever it may be. This is a little bit less impactful, but it's still packed with a ton of benefits. All right. We're going to be utilizing super slow reps and isometric contractions. The best thing about doing those are it's going to burn a ton of fat. It's going to obliterate fat. It's going to help you build muscle, and it's going to increase all the muscle building hormones in your body, all right? We're also just doing 4 exercises, and these 4 exercises can be done anywhere. If you're at home, you might need a towel. If you're not, I'll show you an alternative way to do one of these exercises. But we're going to be doing super slow push-ups, wall squats / wall sits. I'll explain the difference and I'll explain why I'm doing the one I'm going to do. And then isometric towel bicep curls and then elbow planks. And I'm going to show a few different variations for those that may be a little bit more advanced or may need to start a little bit slower pace, all right? The key to all of this, get it done, do it consecutively. It's another short, intense workout. But it's going to be designed to get you where you need to be, man. All right, so here we go. I'm going to start with the super slow push-ups. What we're going to be doing here is utilizing an 8-second negative and an 8-second positive. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. Same on the way up. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. All right, and the key to doing these is when you are in your push-up position, you want to try, without actually doing it, touch your hands together. That's the mental image that you need to have. You're trying to make this floor beneath your palms touch. You're trying to move them closer to each other. Not physically possible, but that's the mental image you need to have. You need to really be flexing your chest, all right? 2001, 2002. 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, and then right back up. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. All right? You're going to do 3 of these. Basically, 3 is about a 1-minute set of total constant tension on your chest, all right? So that's what you're going to do. You're going to start with the push-ups, 8-second down, 8 seconds up. You're going to go straight into the wall squats. If you're doing a wall squat, you're going to do the same thing with the 8 and 8. Squat down, utilizing an 8-second downward motion. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2006, 2007, 2008. And then you will go back up. The wall I'm using isn't a very smooth wall, so I'm going to be doing a wall sit. Basically what you're doing, once you're coming down here, 90-degree angle with the knees, you want your quads parallel to the ground, all right? I keep my arms up so I don't cheat. You don't want to hold yourself up with your arms. So if this is too easy for you, you can do one leg at a time. Sit there and hold it out, and you'll alternate legs, okay? If you're doing a wall sit, 20 to 40 seconds, depending on your conditioning and fitness level. Everybody's different. We're all starting at a different place. So you're going to go straight from the push-ups to the wall sit or wall squat, all right? Then we're going to go into the towel bicep curl. What we're doing here, let's start with my right arm. All right, you want your elbow to be 90 degrees. Forearm parallel to the ground, okay? And then you're going to step on the towel once you get that set. Similar to the wall, let me get back so you actually see what I'm saying. Similar to the wall squat or wall sit, you want to just start pulling as hard as you can on the contraction. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. And you're going to do this for 20 to 30 seconds. Pull as hard as you can, all right? You want to contract this bicep for as long as you can, 20 to 30 seconds. And what we're going to do with all these exercises, you're going to do them 3 to 5 times, 3 to 5 rounds, all right? After you've done this one, you will go straight over to the left arm and do the same thing, okay? But here's the thing. If you're at the office, you're out away from your house, you still want to do this workout, you still can. All you need is a wall, and if you want to do the bicep curls, contractions, isometric contractions, basically same thing, 90 degree. Use your right arm, lock your palms, okay? All you're gonna do here is make sure your arm, your elbow is locked as much as possible. If it's like this, then you're gonna be pushing down with this tricep. That's not the goal here. The goal here is to work this bicep. So what I do, lock my palm after this is a 90 degree, bring my shoulder over to help straighten this right arm. Once you're at this position, you're gonna just pull. Same thing. Pull with this arm as hard as you can. 1001, 1002, 1003. You can see it pulling. See the bicep flexing. Same thing. 20 to 30 seconds, and then you're gonna go into an elbow plank, all right? I prefer the elbow plank to start. Elbow plank may be a little bit difficult for some people, okay? On the elbow plank, you want your elbows to be directly under your shoulders, and you want your butt straight, your back straight, and your neck straight. You don't want to be looking down, and you don't want to be looking up. You want to keep it all neutral. Don't raise your hips up here, and don't sink them down either. Just keep it straight and tight. Focus on tightening up that core, all right? 20 to 30 seconds. If that's too hard, you can do a standard straight arm plank. Same thing here, it's a little bit easier than the elbow plank. If the straight arm plank and elbow plank are too easy, you can do a variation of a star plank. Basically, your arms and your legs are making an X, okay? You can make the X as wide as you possibly want. It just depends on your conditioning, your fitness, and your strength. This takes a lot of core strength when you're doing this. So the key to doing the plank, make sure you are contracting every bit of your core. Abs tight, glutes tight, lower back tight. Just keep your whole body tight and straight, okay? Focus on a neutral spine, neutral neck. Just keep that up. All right, this whole workout shouldn't take you long. You're basically gonna do it 3 times to 5 times. But all right, guys, this workout, again, turbocharged workout for men over 40. Look out for several more videos, man. I'm gonna be giving you guys a lot of videos from here on out. I wanna help you guys, nutrition tips, muscle building tips, whatever you want, all right? So especially for you guys, if you're a man over 40 and you want more muscle building and fat burning secrets, I will help you, man. I will help you pack on size and get lean regardless of your age. I will help you to where you will never look your age. People will never know your age, man. You're gonna look way younger than you are. So do yourself a favor. Click on the link below this video, enter your best email address. That way I can immediately send over my free report, 11 ways to build muscle after 40. All right, man, get after it. Make sure you get this stuff done and implemented. Good luck with it, and God bless.